Okay, hi, welcome back to the vlog. I don't know if it's gonna be a full video or like an addition or a start, but I'm getting ready for the Beyoncé Cowboy Carter Act 2 show tonight. Monday night in Atlanta, it's the last night. Last night she had Jay-Z out, so we're a little upset about that, but what are you gonna do? I have literally 20 minutes, 19 minutes now to do my hair and part of my makeup, and I have meetings and I'll come back and put my outfit on. So we're gonna see how fast we can do this. I'm also filming a TikTok right now, so it's be like a little behind the scenes to all the ones that I have prepped, but hopefully I do a lot better than this by the end of the video. Okay.
We want to welcome you to the Beyoncé Cowboy Carter Act 2. Put them hands together.
Okay, I think that was good.
We want to welcome you to the Beyoncé Cowboy Carter Act 2. Put them hands together. We want to welcome you.
One done. Was it good? Nope. Do we have time? Nope.
And I like how you're...
Is that all the ones I had saved? No way, right?
Yeah, so today I hated them.
Oh wait, are you lying? I swore I saved more.
Give me all your numbers so I can...
Oh, okay, yeah. This one too.
Give me all your numbers so I can phone you.
What your name is?
Yes.
What your name is?
I'm gonna do a speed. Get ready. Thank goodness it's country themed, right? So I'm gonna crimp my hair, which is the fastest style, and it can be imperfect, so I don't spend time being meticulous. And I have a hat on. I have a cowboy hat on, so who cares? We're gonna get ready super quick. I genuinely don't have time, but I'm so excited. This will be my third time seeing Beyonce. I saw her for, I think, the Partition one, and then when her and Jay-Z did On the Run, Jalen and I went together for that one, and this will be my third time. I should have went to go see the Renaissance one, but I didn't think it was gonna be like amazing, right? I was like, oh, I just went to go see her, and that was the biggest mistake of my life. Like regret, like huge regret that I didn't go and see her, because everyone really had so much fun and all the concert outfits looked so cute. So I was pretty pissed that I missed that one. So that's why I'm going to this one. Do I know Cowboy Carter like that? Absolutely freaking not. 100% no. Am I going? Yes. Do I care that I don't know the songs? Not one bit, because she's a great performer. It'll be worth it. You don't have to know all the words. I don't know, it's gonna look good, guys. I don't. I hope cowgirls have wavy hair. I don't know. I've never been one. This is my first time being a cowgirl. All I know is I put on a little hat. I think I'm leaning towards the outfit with jeans and this like brown top. I think brown and brown complements each other really nicely, and I think it goes good with the blonde hair. But I am happy I'm doing my hair now because I do want it to fold. Like I don't want it to be so like perfect. Like I want them to fall. I want it to be really loose and like wavy. I feel like that's cowgirl. Again, I'm guessing. I don't know. But it's gonna be a dang cowgirl tonight. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. There we go. Perf. Go here, right? Watch how like good I am at hair, guys. We're gonna separate it like this. We're gonna twist. Okay. 2:54 p.m. I started this at 41. And we're good. She's really loose, she's wavy, she's perfect. I might touch up like a few before I leave, but I really just wanted her to be, honestly, just like this. So I'm gonna put the hat on, it's cute. Because now, this isn't the hat I'm wearing, and it's just not gonna fit my head, but just so you can get the vision. That's country. Cute. Okay, we're good. So I have 6 minutes before my meeting. I don't think I have time to do anything. I don't know if I can do my nails. I definitely can do my nails. I don't know if I can do my... I can't. We're gonna do my makeup in 15 minutes, so I'm done. I'll be back after my meeting. But so far, we're cowboyed out. First meeting ended 15 minutes early, so now I have 15 minutes to do my eyebrows, my eyeliner, and mascara. We should be able to do that, plenty of time, okay? Let's go. Here's the thing, I don't really have the best eyebrows, so it's not that hard to do because I can't mess them up because they're not existent, you know what I mean? I don't know, it's gonna be Theodore. He just doesn't listen. Whoa, she's dark. She's dark. She's real dark. But maybe she'll fade. I don't know. I don't care. The eyebrows are the least of my worries. They're just gonna be what they're gonna be. As long as they don't look like terrible, which they might. They might look terrible right now. But she's there, so you gotta go with it. And we're gonna slick them up for that laminated look. And now they look about 13 inches thick, like a plank. You could walk this, about to cuss. Trying to stop. Okay. I don't know if I should say the product. I don't think anyone really cares because I haven't really updated my makeup in a minute, but this is just a NYX brow glue. I tried the Refy one. Everything's the same. Nothing really lasts all day, and I didn't really have brows. Like, I haven't really found like a, I feel like I'm not really gonna lie and be like, this is the greatest product. You need it. It'll change your mother freaking life. I'm not about to do that because they don't. They're all the same. This eyebrow pencil, Sephora collection, has just like a thicker wax one. So you can just like fill it in. It's like pretty thick and nice. So it makes it easier for like hair-like strokes. Same here. It's nice. Whatever. Was it amazing? It's fine. Whatever. For eyes, right? We're gonna just go on top and smudge her out. That's it. If you can't tell, I'm not a makeup guru. It used to be good, no longer. But same thing here. Other up top. Theodore. Okay. And then I'm also, I think I need to. We're gonna go under. Makes my eyes look a lot smaller, but I think they look a little bit more like a little more snatched and sultry. Okay, so my eyes are literally done. Now we're going to, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:22 p.m.
8 minutes, mascara time, baby. We're gonna try and get this going. This is just L'Oreal Telescopic. This is good, I won't lie. This is a really good mascara. I've used this for like years. Anytime I try anything else, it just doesn't compete. She just lengthens, she separates, no clumps. I hate clumpy lashes. She's the real deal. When I come back, I just have to put my face on and we're good and we can get ready. So we'll check back in after. Hopefully those meetings end early too. Because now I literally can just put on my skin tint, concealer, lots of primer, and blush. Okay, meeting ended and my other one got canceled. So I have an hour and 13 minutes to get ready, so I'm great. Okay, it's really hot outside. It feels like 100, so I'm going with the Danessa Myricks Skin Blurring Balm Powder. I mean primer, I don't really know. But in all my T-zone areas, because I'm a sweaty girl. And we need this to lock in. And I used it for the SZA concert, and she was really good. So I go in with this, and I go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip primer as well. Is this right? Can you do this? Am I doing it? Yep. Okay, the next I go in with my Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. Gas. She's straight gasoline. Love her. With my Say brush. I just want to like let this get tacky for a second. So hang on. All my prep and prime so she can grip the makeup, you know? Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. 1 line, 2 line. Don't want too much because it's hot. We're just gonna give ourselves a nice even layer because I'm breaking out. I like just finished my time of the month, so a girl has a lot of acne right now, which is not her fave. Because I'm gonna add some concealer, some Too Faced concealer, and then I mix it. This one is really creamy and I like this one. It's the Sephora collection. And then going in now with the other Sephora collection. Theodore. Skin Better because she's brighter to lighten up. And I only do this when I'm like going out. Because I need it to, or I want it to like pop more. See, what are you doing? So we're gonna take this, just gonna blend it out. I'm walking you through this like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. but I do leave the ones on my cheek longer so it can oxidize and cover more of my blemishes. I'm not sure I love this, but I'm just gonna do. I am gonna take some of this Juvia's Place blush. Hello. If I could open her. And I mean one dot at the highest point. Shade Coral Rose. Okay, I found it. And then I want some pink. So then this is Joy. And I'm gonna go right in front. Theodore. And again with this beauty blender, we're gonna just blend it out. It's really subtle. Did it even do anything? Probs not. But I tried. That's all you can do. That's why I say don't know makeup. White Theodore Juvia's Place bronzer. And I'm gonna take it here and just try and chisel out a little more. So I'm gonna focus my blush right there. Just wanna be a bronzed goddess. A bronzed cowgirl goddess for the night. And I take a little up here, I don't think it does anything. Probably if I like put more product on my thing, but it's fine. Maybe she didn't, I don't know, I don't care. I don't care. Okay, but I will. This Tarte palette, probably one of the first makeup things I ever got. My dad got it for me. It's so old, but it's like so many blushes. I'm gonna use it till I break. Not till I break out. Until I can't use it anymore, until I break the palette, basically. But it just has the prettiest shade, and it's like, I don't know. It's like a bronzer, but it's still pinky. I put on so much of it because blush is the very first thing that leaves your face. So I will be bringing a smaller blush with me for touch-ups because it falls off. So I put so much where I look like a clown, very aware, but I won't look like that by the time I have to leave. We're not leaving, it's 3:58, we're not leaving till 5. So need it to look good. And you want to show up in pictures. This I take everywhere and just like calm it down and just go a little bit more seamless with everything. I hope. Sephora, I don't even know. Micro Smooth Powder. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I feel like I saw someone say they got rid of it. But I don't know. I'm sure any powder would work. I just like one that just smooths out everything. And just so it's just like skin, you know? Like just like not too much, everything's blended. And yeah. Since I did my eyes earlier, before I do my eyes, I would usually put this powder over it. So just because I don't know, my veins are really like showy, like veiny. So I just put a little color Theodore to cover that. Theodore. Count how many times I say Theodore in this video, and every time he's not looking. In the dirty clothes, I don't know what it is with dogs and dirty clothes. Theodore, Theodore, Theodore. Doesn't listen. That's my shirt. Theodore, Theodore. You know what I mean? Like he just doesn't listen. I said it like 16 times. He doesn't care, so whatever. I want to put my fake, not my fake, I say that, but it's not. I have moles on my face. I have one here, here, here. I have a couple more, but these are like my most prominent ones. But when I put makeup on, it covers it. So I have to do this off camera. I gotta focus. 3, enough. So I add them back. 1, 2, and 3. Are they good? No. Are they perfect? No, but my moles aren't either, so it's fine. And I think that's it, bro. Make sure my eyes are set. Because I'm about to set and spray. And I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my pictures, my TikToks. Okay, I'm gonna set with my milk. First, let that go. And you already know, try, this is actually, I'll say like, I don't really like ride or die products. This girl right here, it's about to kiss again. She's the truth. She is the truth. Okay, so let's get dressed. This isn't my lip combo, but I need something because I look crazy with nothing on my lips. I like this light better. My phone looks like I still look crazy. Yeehaw. I need some more blush. The hello? The helly? The heliante? See, remember how much blush I put on? And you can't even see it anymore. Let's get a little pink in there, you know? Right on the, yeah, right there. Right there, that's where she needs it. That's where our girl is. And then I'm gonna put some highlighter on, but I'm also kind of hesitant because I'm gonna sweat. I'm gonna produce natural highlight, but I'm gonna put my outfit on and I'll come back. Okay, we're done. This is her. Give you the full effect. Yeehaw. Let me put this down. Okay, this is the full outfit. Now where'd my light go? Okay. These turned out cute. Windsor pants, Amazon, Etsy, Amazon, I don't know, Jalen got it. From some Western store in Georgia. Akira, I already said Windsor. Okay. But like my favorite part, y'all, is the back. I'm trying to see if I can get it. It's like all open. Gotta cut the tag off, but this is her. Timing great. I have 30 minutes, 20 minutes. So I'm about to take some pictures, order the Uber, and we're gonna be on time, but I'm so excited. Let's go see Beyonce. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this chaotic Get Ready with me. Hopefully the next one will be better, but I'll see you in the next video.